Hi YouTube, it is me, your boy, Paris Hilton, coming at you with another video. And in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is giving you a little bit of a tutorial. So, what I'm going to be doing a tutorial on is this look right here. Insert a picture right here. If you didn't do that now, please, in editing. Please. Okay, so it's kind of like a sun god slash, like, people call it a sunburst look. I don't know what to call it, but I think it's real cute. It's probably one of my favorite looks that I've ever done. So, like, I realized that I've never really given a tutorial on that or even done, like, an Instagram video showing you guys what it is that I'm doing exactly. So, like, here you go. Here it is. It's here. I need to shut up. Also, quick little note. In my last video, I jokingly said, can we hit 200,000 subscribers before the end of the year? Now, that was intended kind of as a joke because I didn't think that was gonna happen. But lo and behold, here we are. I still have these balloons from when I turned 20 about 2 months ago. I don't have another 0, but like, just imagine it being there. Oh, my left hand is shaky. Why is my left hand so shaky? Right hand is fine. Why is my left hand? Calm down. But like, just imagine another 0, okay? Thank you guys so much. Anyway, let's just jump into it. What I'm gonna be starting out with is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Or if you wanna be fancy in French, the Photogenic Studio Correcteur. I'm gonna need a lot of this. I'm gonna do the triangle thing. Is the triangle thing still a thing? Has that been debunked yet? I'm gonna do it anyway, cause your boy needs it. Obviously, December is a very stressful month. So my hair is falling out. Look at that. My eczema is flaring up everywhere. Right here underneath my titty as well. Sure. And the dark circles are getting darker by the day. They are having a blast by themselves. No one invited them, but like, I just started blending without saying anything. Wow, I'm so good at tutorials. So like, I might be from the Netherlands. I am definitely not making tutorials. I know, I'm very upset about it too. And obviously this isn't the most opaque thing in the world. I like being able to see my skin through things, you know what I mean? That's also the reason why I don't really use foundation at all. Speaking of, you know what really annoys me? See all these girls on Instagram using 14 different Versailles oils. What do you need that for? You don't need 14 Versailles oils to blend out your goddamn foundation. Calm down. So I'm just gonna put some on my eyelids as well because I don't really have any eyeshadow primers. Using some concealer works just as well. Or maybe it doesn't, I don't know. Do I care? No, I'm gonna do it anyway. You know what, I always think like when I put anything on my eyelids, because I have such dark waterlines and all that stuff, it looks real creepy. Like I look like a whole alien and I don't know how to feel about that. You're welcome, I guess. So next I'm gonna be taking my NYX Highlight and Contour Cream Pro palette. Is that what? Yeah, that is what it's called. Lovely. I'm gonna be going into this color. It's a bit of a warmer color. And we're gonna just be both contouring and bronzing and all that good stuff with that. I should probably tie my hair up first, hold up.
1 hour later.
Good enough. Then I'm just gonna be taking this Sigma Flat Kabuki F80, if you will. I'm gonna be blending that out upwards in kind of like slightly circular motions. And I'm gonna be taking that more onto the face as well because this is a warmer color, serves more as a bronzer than contour, you know what I mean? And we are now in the pale boy months of the year, and we don't want to be entering the pale boy months of the year, so we're going to be interchanging that for the tan boy months. Right, great, lovely, wonderful. And I'm going to go into the regular old NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, the powder one. And I'm going to be taking the Sigma Tapered Highlighting Brush, the F35. I'm gonna be going into this color, a little bit of this. Screw it, let's go into all of them. I'm just gonna be putting that like right on top of my cheekbones right here because my cheekbones are very sharp and they go pretty much all the way up until my ear. And I'd rather have like a kind of rounded look to them at the top right here, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna go into the Linda Hallberg Cosmetics Infinity Filter Loose Setting Powder in medium. And I am just gonna be putting that like mostly all over my face. So like, there you go. There's my quite heavy bronzing and contouring and all that good stuff. I usually don't go this heavy, but this is like a sun god inspired makeup look. So then I'm gonna be going back into that cream palette and doing some faux freckles. In my last video on my everyday hair and makeup, I explained to you exactly how I do my faux freckles and all that. So I'm not gonna be going into depth on how I do freckles. You can watch that video and find out. There we go. Yeah. So I tried ordering the James Charles X Morphe palette. And I was gonna unleash my inner artist today. Ooh. However, I accidentally ordered the Morphe 39A, the Dare to Create. So we ain't gonna be unleashing no inner artist. What the hell is this? No, I daren't create. I am scared, okay? I am scared of this palette. But this palette pretty much has all the colors, most of the colors that I need for this look. So I'm gonna use this and give it a good whirl. So we're gonna be getting started on the eyes now. What I'm gonna be doing is going into this color right here. I don't know what it's called. You can check online. But I'm gonna be putting that into the crease and flaring that out in the outer corner as well. Kind of like a transition color. Oh, that is very warm. And this is kind of gonna be very linear, so I'm not gonna go too far up. I'm not gonna do a very far up cat eye type of thing. I'm gonna just be very linear and straight to the side. Not very, but just more than usual. You know what I'm saying? Right, wonderful. Then I'm gonna be going into this one. We're gonna be going into this color right here. By the way, I did not wash my brushes. I'm out here trying to get pink eye. I'm gonna be putting that on the outer corner, kind of blending that almost halfway up to the lid and a bit into the crease as well. Circling out my eye a little bit with that as well. A little bit of that right near the inner corner. I've not had any fallout. Then I'm just gonna be taking some of that same color and going underneath my eye. I'm gonna be feathering out the edges with that with the taper blending brush, the E40 by Sigma. I'm trying to do the most, but this color ain't really giving me the most, is it? Maybe try that with a pencil brush? I don't know. Oh, that's better. Blend that out. Then I'm gonna be taking that underneath the lash line as well. Just like that. And then, I don't really like any of the glittery shimmers in here for this look, I don't think. So I'm gonna be taking the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm gonna be dipping into, what am I gonna be dipping into? I'm gonna be dipping into Senegal, this color right here. And I'm just gonna be this color is called Lulu. It reminds me of a meme, and I'm very pleased about that. I'm tempted to use that, but I'm not gonna, because it's not gonna work with this look. Partying equals no Lulu. Anyway, we're gonna go into Senegal with a eye shading brush, the E55 by Sigma. Pretty much like down, ooh, oh boy. Oh, that's pretty. Just like down the center a little bit. I'm covering the lid with that. Ooh, baby. Damn. Then I'm gonna be taking this Henk and Henry kit. I am still not quite sure what the name of this one specifically is, because it says like 3 names at the bottom. We're gonna go into this kind of greeny champagne-y color. It's like a greeny, goldy, champagne-y, I don't know what to call it. It's real pretty though. Putting that right in the center of the lid, making a little bit of halo. Hot damn, that looks foiled. A little bit more dark right here, I guess. So next I'm gonna be taking a real tiny brush, the eyeliner brush, the EO5. Little teeny tiny brush. And I'm gonna be going into my favorite highlighter. It's very reflective, very Instagram. This is Centipede by Black Moon Cosmetics. And well, that smells good. Did I just dip my nose in? I think I just dipped my nose into that. Anyway, I'm gonna be dipping a damp brush into that. I'm gonna be putting that right here in my inner corner and kind of extending that over the crease that we just made, and some on the lower lash line as well, just like there. You'll see what I did there? There you go, there's that. Now we're gonna go on to eyeliner. It's not really gonna be a sharp Instagram-y wing. I am using the NYX Midnight Chaos one. It's like a duo one, but I really like the black one on this. And I'm just gonna be doing a small little wing with that. Again, fairly vertical because I don't wanna cat eye it and go all the way up. And we're just gonna be making the inner corner pointy as heck as well. Just like that. Then I'm gonna be taking this Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. This one right here. I'm just gonna be putting that in the outer waterline only, like at the edge right here. Oh, that's not a flattering face at all, is it? A little bit at the top as well. And kind of just like blend that bottom out a little bit. Just like that. So there we go, there's that eye. So I'm just gonna do exactly the same thing on the other end and be right back. There we go. Got both eyes done. And I got some coffee to support me through this process because it's gonna take a while. I forgot some mascara, so I'm gonna use the NARS Climax. I'm only gonna really like coat the lashes in this to make them black. I don't really wanna point them upwards too far. So we're only really doing this for the sake of color. There we go. Got our lashes black. So then I'm gonna be taking an teensy tiny little brush. This is the Sigma E11, and I'm gonna be dipping into this right here. A little bit of that, and I'm just gonna be creating kind of like a half circle underneath my eye bag and exaggerate the inner corner way up here. I'm gonna be trying to get a clean line with that. So for that, I'm gonna be using a little tiny close-up mirror. Oh, look how dirty that is. Look at all those fingerprints. So we're gonna be doing that. That's the beginning of the sun. And then above, we're gonna do half of this as well. Pretty much up until the eyeliner. Like so. Then with that same brush, we're gonna be making a line following that eyeliner. Just like that onto the cheekbone. Gonna be doing that above as well. Then we're gonna be curling this down at the bottom right here. Make a bit of a curve and just extend that back onto the first line that we made. And we're pretty much just freehanding all of this. Don't really have a template or anything like that to go off of. Then I'm gonna go down here, make another one of those. This one will be a bit smaller. I could edit this out, I'm not gonna. You're welcome. Just like that. Then a little pointy stubby boy right here. Then a longer curly boy down here. I'm gonna extend that further on all of them because that is pretty much like the most important one in my opinion anyway. Just like that. Gonna be doing a smaller stubby boy right here again. Tiny teensy little line right here. And extend this one a bit more and give it a bit of a curve onto the nose. Just like that. You see? Put a little line in all of them to give some more detail down the center of them. Thin boy. Curl this one up right here. Go back in. The smaller one right here. This won't be as curly. And extend that above the eyebrow a little bit. And then one final one to top it off. Just like that. Then we're gonna do one last point onto the bridge of the nose right from the corner of the eye to make it cohesive with the rest of it. There you have the shape of the sun. So then I'm just gonna be putting a teensy tiny little bit of setting powder on top of that cream stuff that we just did so that it doesn't go anywhere unlike my cheating ex, obviously. Then we're gonna go back into this big boy and we're gonna take some of that brown, a little bit of this, some of that, all the good stuff. And I'm gonna do a little bit of shading around the edges and the insides of those lines that we just made. Blend it out like that. So there you go. There's the sun. The next up we're gonna be highlighting, which I love a lot, love it so much. We're gonna go into Centipede by Black Moon Cosmetics again. Gonna put that onto her cheekbone. Get that all nice and highlighted. A little bit onto the nose. A little bit in between here. So there we go, we all highlighted and pretty. Then I'm gonna be taking Swing by NARS. This is pretty much the exact same color as my lips, so I don't really know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna be putting that on my lips. I like to feel like I'm bougie or something like that. It's a real nice glossy type thing. So then my lips look exactly the same. And that's good. That's exactly what we want. For makeup, last but not least, definitely not least, we're gonna go into the NARS Orgasm Illuminating Powder right here. And we're gonna be putting that onto my collarbones and my neck and all that stuff. This is real pretty. A nice rose goldy type of sheen to everything. Kind of like a nice rose goldy sheen to everything down here. So there you go, there's the makeup part done. So then I'm just gonna be doing my hair. So here is the final look. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this look? And if you haven't already, come join the family. I see you 60% of people that are watching my videos that aren't subscribed yet. I know you want to join the family. Click that button. Also, I have consistently been at almost 500,000 followers on Instagram for quite a while now. So like, if you want to help me out and give me a follow over there, I would greatly appreciate that. I'm so bad at plugging myself. Anywho, I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video. And goodbye for now, my lovely friends.